Dalorin Chris, Agamebi and Kenke. Ndiba Ekenemuno. Igbo Igbo Ekenemuno. Ndi na-achị anyị, ndị traditional rulers, ekene dịla unu, n'unu nọ ebe a this long na-eche. And na-ekenekwa my revered PG bụ Chief Nyanwodo Ike Okehe. Na ndị ọzọ niile nọ n'ebe a, including Emeka Ugwuoju, na ndị otu put ife together. Ndị be anyị nọ. The fact na anyị nọ ebe a na-akpa nkata alone bụ the beginning of good things to come. The fact now, because I gear in various fora, but now at this critical time, I ain't aware no corn where na apamakia. A very strong feeling that the objectives of for Ohaneze from the time Emily established, that those objectives are about to be achieved. A feeling that now a strong movement is in the offing. And that strong movement is a movement that is capable of taking us to where we want to go. For that reason, I thank Chief Nyanwodo for the way he has approached it. It's not just Kane Menaga, Ochelieche, put Tonya together when a leader in a direction and a jiva. Now, if I add in Yabo, anyone in the so-called diaspora, the least we can do is to come in with full force. In the diaspora, Mandi youth we have Igbo Unite. We have galvanized them, sensitized them for the movement and the things that are coming. World Igbo Congress is in a position to do that for an Igbo. Chairman Bo Elder Elazu, make a comment at the beginning. He was the person near the keynote speech when I was elected in Chicago. And with that comment to make, if you're the out of sync, where's the opportunity where Bazio Wanyu, if an ONU. World Igbo Congress was formed in 1994. At that time, if a lead to it being formed, Abacha's Nigeria was given the rough end to Ndi Igbo. Nife Basa state creation. Nife Basa boundary adjustments. World Igbo Congress step were in because at that time too, and Akwadewe confab for transition to civil rule. World Igbo Congress batazo badimpa help Ohaneze to fully ascend to the apex Igbo organization status, which it enjoys today. In fact, we even moved in Enugu to help equip the office Ohaneze Enugu. That is the relationship Anyana Ohaneze Nwe. Now, the name Oge Ambassador Wechwe, but the PG, he put World Igbo Congress into Imobi, and with 2 slots there. And we've worked effectively, in those 2 slots. And Ike Okehe came on stream. He even improved the relationship when he added World Igbo Congress now 4 different committees of Ohaneze. That's the nature of relationship and Ohaneze and enjoy. And that is one of the reasons I did fully committed to making sure that the diaspora Igbo is fully involved in the development of an Igbo. Adia Mama, we have observed that the greatest factor mitigating the effectiveness of Ohaneze is the lack of a solid foundation. Solid foundation comes in terms of funds. Una nugo kapiji anine here, and it hurts when we hear him cry like that. I use the word cry because that's what he did. It hurts. Na niga no na watch. If I believe Ohaneze and we are not empowering it, that is not right. Another thing with the foundation, apart from the impecuniosity, the funds for running Ohaneze, I don't see why.
Coordinating something.
Excuse me. I don't see why. Onyabuna Bonibo, Ama own Ohaneze, own is structure, own is operations. so that any budget and we can fund that budget. And you may even there, it will support and maintain itself, Igbo Ohaneze, so that you'll be able to deliver the goods I deliver. At all. We expect Ohaneze to be like the legendary Igbo Union that will engender oneness of purpose. We cannot be from all perspectives because people can never be the same. But we can articulate things in such a way that we act with oneness of purpose. That is all we are looking for. So that we want Ohaneze to.
I'm muted. I cannot mute him again. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Control, can you hear me? I can't hear him.
Somebody muted me suddenly. But
okay, Prof, it may be like me now because we must close this thing in the next 7 minutes.
Okay, that's right. Ohaneze right now under Chief Nwodo, now in the twilight zone. It's like he's living, but if to ask me, less than 4 months, that period there enough for us to we can seize it as an opportunity, especially to zero in Nifebasalo security of our land. I need to try for a situation where we clear-cut security apparatus that will save our people. Out here, I'm not on the ground. But what I hear on regular basis, but fear, very strong fear, a lot of fear, genuine, that Nabani they in trouble. So
thank you.
Acham can round that up by reading the last portion of what I put down. Ohaneze was born with high hopes. It made knee-jerk efforts to fight for Igbo, but was overwhelmed by the vagaries and vicissitudes of the Nigerian political terrain. Then it lay comatose for quite a while. Now Ohaneze is awake and in a new dawn and getting ready to excel. We must help it puff and bulldoze to a new Igbo nation. As Ohaneze nears another transition period, we extol the cerebral approach of Chief Nwodo to tackling of Igbo issues going forward. Thank
you very much, Prof.